right, we are just taking our Pillsbury biscuits and we are just flattening them in our jumbo muffin tin. All right, now we're gonna come in with marinara and we are gonna grab our little cookie scoop and we are gonna scoop some of this marinara right into our biscuit. We don't need too much to start, just a nice, half tablespoon in each of our biscuits, just like so. Ooh, this is gonna be good already. Now you can make your own marinara if that's your style, your own biscuits, but this is gonna be a super easy and quick dish, so I just wanted to do the pre-made stuff. All right, that's looking good. Now I'm gonna grab my pre-cooked ground beef and we're gonna put a little bit of ground beef in each of our biscuits with that marinara. Oh yeah, I'm using some lean ground beef. This is gonna be delicious, you guys. Okay, get a little bit more in these. Don't go crazy. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna come in with our al dente spaghetti noodles and we're just gonna grab a small amount and put it right in there, just like so. Woo! That looks delicious. You can add as little or as much as you like. As long as we get those noodles stuffed in there, you will be happy. This is such an easy way to serve some spaghetti, and it's gonna be extra delicious because of those biscuits. Just make sure not to overstuff them. Now I'm gonna come back with our marinara because we need some sauce on our pasta, obviously. And we're just gonna put that right on top of our spaghetti, just like so. Ooh, this smells good already. I love this marinara. You could use Rouse or Prego or Classico, whatever marinara you like. I just like this one because it has a lot of flavor to it. Okay, let's get a little bit more on some of these. Delicious. Okay, I think this one needs a little bit more too. All right, I'm happy with that. Now to add a little bit of cheese, I got this grated Parmesan cheese and we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top, just like we would our spaghetti normally. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to eat these. Beautiful. All right, now we're gonna grab the rest of our biscuits. We are gonna flatten them out just like so, and we are gonna cover up our pasta. Oh. Look how fun that is. Okay, so we used 2 biscuits total with our marinara, our ground beef, our pasta, our Parmesan cheese, and these are just gonna create little pasta cups, but better because you get your bread right there in with your pasta. Just really squish those down. They are gonna puff up and just be the most delicious thing you've ever had. Now, I think you guys know what we need to do next. I mean, what is spaghetti without garlic bread? So we are gonna add some melted butter, but not before we add some garlic to this butter. Oh yeah, okay. Get a few chunks in there. Perfect. Give it a good mix so we make it garlicky and delicious. And now it is time to brush it on our biscuits. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I love garlic, so you guys know this is for me. And I'm kind of scooping those garlic pieces to ensure we get it on top of those biscuits.
It smells delicious.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Wow.
Okay, I did half a stick of butter, which was plenty, so you guys could probably do like 1/4 a stick. All right, this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and these are gonna bake for 25 minutes. Ooh, these look so delicious. We just pulled them out of the oven. Yummy. Okay, let's go ahead and try to pop one out. Oh my gosh, look at that. Ooh, I forgot to move my knife.
Whoa, they look so cool.
Oh my goodness. All right, let's cut right into this so we can see that delicious spaghetti. Oh yeah.
Whoa,
Come
that looks
on. Let's dig in. It's like a spaghetti hamburger, but with garlic bread buns.
Mm. Is it good?
That is perfect. You gotta try it.